Hey, welcome to my channel where I've lost 175 pounds with keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. So another thing I'm doing this weekend is my breakfast casserole. So this is 84 grams of real bacon pieces. And I used enough for 2 servings in each. This will make 6 servings. So there's 12 servings of bacon pieces. And I will put that in here. I'm doing 2, so I'll show you one and then I'll just do the other off camera. Then I have a bag of pepper and onion blend. I'm doing half of a bag, which is 280-ish grams. I usually cook it up, but I'm not this time. I'm just kind of letting it be willy-nilly. But I am going to use a fork just to kind of make sure it's all spread around a little bit here. Oh, got a little bit wild there. Good thing there's a rim. Okay. So there's that. And then I also have some cheese. It's enough for a half of a serving for each piece that I make. So it's 84 grams. So just goes to show serving sizes is very important. So 84 grams is half of a serving of cheese, whereas it's 2 servings of bacon pieces. So got to read them labels, folks. Read those labels. Know what you're doing. You don't have to do the same thing I'm doing by any stretch of the imagination. But just read your labels so you know what you're putting in, whether you're counting calories or carbs. All right. Oh, and I did salt it when I mixed up my eggs. There's 18 eggs in each of these, so I use a total of 36 eggs. So, all right. Let me do this other one, and I'll pop it in the oven at 350 for about 55 minutes to an hour. All right. These are done, so I pulled them out, and they're cooling. And I'll cut them up in a little bit. A casserole's ready. I'm going to use this. It's not sharp or anything, but it doesn't need to be sharp. I'm just going to go down. There. And figure out a third of it. And then a third of it. And then I'll ziplock those up. Where's the center? Right about there. Anybody else surprised I didn't break out a measuring tape? When I edited this the other day when I was doing it, I'm like, I am so surprised I didn't get out a measuring tape or a ruler or something. But that's all right. So now I will, I'll put on a glove, because you know me, and I'm going to put them, ooh, that's a long onion. Yum. I'm going to put on a glove and I'll bag these up in Ziploc bags. And that'll be my breakfast casseroles. This will be 2 weeks worth. So here's how I do my casserole. I just drop them into a little Ziploc baggie. Got my glove on so I can grab it. Gives me better control. And I can put it right down into these Ziplocs. And this way, my breakfast, I know what I'm having every day, and there's no question about it. I have no excuse to stop and pick something up from a gas station or from a fast food restaurant, because I make myself have no chance for an excuse. Don't give yourself a chance for excuses, and you won't make those excuses. So even when you hit maintenance, you got to meal prep. Otherwise, you'll slide back to your old ways.